Morning, guys. All right, so today, I was gonna pop in and do a Google Meet, but you're kind of doing the same thing you did yesterday, so I don't know if you really need me to. If I start seeing people struggling on the Go Formative, because I will be watching during your class, I sit in front of the computer for probably 5 hours a day now. I'll be kind of helping you guys out as you go, but if I start seeing the same issues, then I'll contact Miss King and I'll pop in to kind of go over a couple of things. But this is what your assignment's going to be today. In your assignment packet, it's going to be page 4. So if you want to take a look, like do it on paper first, it's going to be page 4. And what you see here is that problems 1 through 10 are just you kind of doing what you did yesterday, solving for the variable. Then there is a second page just to kind of get you used to, again, naming those angle pairs. You're also going to now, which really this probably should have been the first page, 11 through 20, it's just naming what the angle pairs are. And these ones are multiple choice. Um, so like I said, I'm going to be keeping an eye on you guys, making sure you're okay. I'm not going to pop in today unless I have to. But I am going to be responding and all that fun stuff on Go Formative. I'm going to be keeping an eye on you that way. So if you end up having any questions, comments, concerns, you can send me a message even through Go Formative because that's what I'll have up and it gives me like a notification right away. Um, Also, a reminder for those who are missing quizzes or tests, please make sure you're reaching out to me. I'm going to go through tomorrow and try to reach out to those who I think maybe forgot that they're missing a quiz or a test. But make sure you're reaching out if you do have one. Tomorrow, I've got to figure out what I'm going to do tomorrow with videos and stuff. But plan on actually seeing me, not just on a video, tomorrow. So go ahead, head on over to Go Formative. Start working on this. Make sure you're plugging your answers in. You can do them on your worksheet first. Again, it's page 4. And it's the same thing we did yesterday, which is kind of nice for you. All right. Have a good Tuesday.